You and I heard many stories of people manifesting, but it didn't work out well. Even your own manifestation didn't work out. Concluded some mistakes that people make while manifesting. It is okay if you have made them too, because we learn from them. Also, mention in the comment section if you have seen others make it. Let's dive into the first mistake, believing that the physical world is an illusion and getting anxious if something unpleasant shows up. This mistake stems from the belief that the external world is not real and only our thoughts and feelings are. While it's true that our thoughts and emotions shape our reality to some extent, we can't deny the existence of the physical world. This mistake can lead to anxiety and a sense of powerlessness because we believe we can't control the outside world. For example, if someone gets into a car accident and they believe that the physical world is an illusion, they may feel overwhelmed and unable to cope because they don't believe in the reality of the accident. Another mistake, looking at others as the problem or solution. This mistake involves blaming others for our problems or expecting them to solve them for us. It's easy to fall into this trap because it allows us to avoid taking responsibility for our own lives. However, the truth is that we are the only ones responsible for our happiness and well-being. By focusing on others as the problem or solution, we miss the opportunity to look within and work on ourselves. For example, if someone is unhappy in their job and they blame their boss for the situation, they may miss the opportunity to reflect on what they can do to improve the situation. Now another mistake. Not understanding what exactly manifesting is. This mistake involves misunderstanding the process of manifestation and expecting it to work like a magic trick. While manifestation does involve focusing on what we want, it's not about manipulating the external world to get what we want. Manifestation is a natural process that occurs based on our dominant thoughts and beliefs. By not understanding this, we may focus on external circumstances and miss the opportunity to work on our inner world. For example, if someone wants to manifest a romantic relationship, they may focus solely on finding the perfect partner without doing any inner work to attract the right person into their life. Another mistake, not seeing this as a lifestyle. This mistake involves treating manifestation as a one-time fix rather than a continuous practice. While it's true that some manifestations may occur quickly, for significant changes to occur a transformation is necessary. This means that manifestation should be integrated into every aspect of our lives and not just used as a last resort when we want something to change. By not seeing manifestation as a lifestyle, we miss the opportunity to make lasting changes in our lives. For example, if someone wants to manifest abundance, they may focus solely on affirmations without doing any inner work to overcome limiting beliefs about money. Next point is keeping desires on a pedestal. Keeping desires on a pedestal. This mistake involves placing too much importance on our desires and believing that they are the key to our happiness. While it's natural to have desires, when we place them on a pedestal, we create a sense of lack and limit our potential for happiness. This is because desires are fleeting and can never fully satisfy us. By understanding that our true nature is beyond desires, we can experience a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy. For example, if someone believes that getting a promotion at work will make them happy, they may feel a sense of disappointment or emptiness once they achieve their goal, as they realize that it hasn't brought them lasting happiness. The sixth mistake is one that everyone can relate to, carrying the weight of the past and constantly worrying about the future. We've all been there, ruminating over past mistakes or fretting over what might go wrong in the future. But the truth is, you can't change the past, and the future is not set in stone. So let go of the burden and live in the present moment. Embody the state of unconditional love and trust that everything is being taken care of. The seventh mistake is trying to fix everything with your mind. Your mind can only give you an illusion of fixing things, and it can be a constant hustle that can lead to burnout. Instead, observe your thoughts and emotions with curiosity and without judgment. Cultivate the habit of being present in the moment and let things unfold naturally. The eighth mistake is not taking action. Manifestation is not just about wishing for things to happen magically. You need to take aligned action towards your goals and be open to opportunities that come your way. Remember, action is key to achieving your desires. The ninth mistake is not trusting the universe. It can be easy to lose faith when things don't seem to be going our way, but the truth is that the universe is always working in our favor, even when we can't see it. Surrender to the universe and trust that everything is happening for your highest good. The 10th mistake is forgetting to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can transform your life. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you attract more abundance and blessings into your life. Make a habit of being grateful for everything, no matter how small or big, and watch as your life transforms in beautiful ways. So there you have it, the top 10 mistakes people make when it comes to conscious manifestation. Avoid these pitfalls and watch as your desires effortlessly manifest into your reality. Remember, conscious manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It's a way of life that requires consistent effort and practice. Keep your focus on the right direction and don't get discouraged by setbacks or obstacles. Trust the universe, take inspired action, practice gratitude, and most importantly, cultivate a state of unconditional love within yourself. As you continue on this path, you will discover a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment in your life. Thank you for watching and happy manifesting. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it.